Get ready for a sneak peek at the upcoming Apple Watch Series 10, also known as the Apple Watch X. We've got some exciting details from 91 Mobiles, and trust us, you won't want to miss this. First off, let's talk about that display. The Apple Watch X is set to feature a massive 2-inch display, the largest ever on an Apple Watch. This tops the 1.92-inch screen on the previous Apple Watch Ultra models. Despite this larger display, the dimensions of the watch are actually smaller than the Apple Watch Ultra 2, coming in at 46 by 39.7 by 11.6 millimeter. Interestingly, even with these upgrades, the design of the Apple Watch X remains similar to last year's Series 9. The placement of the digital crown and side buttons hasn't changed. However, there's some buzz about a potential switch to a magnetic band system, which would replace the current bands that slide into notches at the top and bottom of the watch. Switching to a magnetic system could free up internal space, possibly allowing for a larger battery and a slimmer design. But, according to 91 Mobiles, the CAD renders don't show any signs of this new band system. The current notch system seems to be sticking around for now. We could see the new Apple Watch X models debut in early September, offered in two case sizes, 45 and 49 millimeter. This is larger than the Series 9's 41 and 45 millimeter options, with the Apple Watch Ultra 2 coming in a single 49 millimeter size. In terms of features, there's a bit of a letdown. The pulse oximeter, which measures blood oxygen levels, might not be enabled on the Apple Watch X, unless Apple can avoid infringing on existing patents. But there are rumors of new health features, like warnings for high or low blood pressure and detection of sleep apnea, a serious sleep disorder. Last year, analyst Ming-Chi Kuo dampened expectations by saying the 2024 Apple Watch might not offer significant innovations. Earlier rumors hinted at a micro-LED display and a glucose monitoring sensor, but these features won't be present in the Apple Watch X. That's the latest on the Apple Watch Series 10. Stay tuned for more updates as we get closer to the official launch. If you're as excited as we are, hit that like button and subscribe for more tech news and reviews. See you in the next video!